Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden, and we had to click that again because apparently something went wrong with the video. This is a straight staghorn fern, which I have been growing since I've been collecting ferns. I got these all at the same time, all from Bruce Tropical Garden. And many years ago, I used to just go to a garden and just grab seeds and whatever have you, and this is what I ended up with. I got more stuff than you can shake a stick back. It far has nothing compared to what Bruce Tropical Garden is like, but I got my fair share of goodies over there. The reason I'm showing you that pile is I was cleaning up yesterday, and when I picked up all those branches, the last branch I picked up was a one I wish I knew better when I picked it up, but apparently I was attacked by carpenter ants. I got bit by like 13, 14 different ants. I had to run and get some Benadryl in order to stop the pain, but now I watch when I pick things up. But anyway, getting back to this again, this is the straight staghorn fern. I call it staghorn fern because it's similar to the other staghorn fern, which is a large staghorn fern. Let me just show you quick what the other large one looks like, so you can see I'm not getting my Alzheimer's mixed up here. Now, where did it go, Marty? Bye-bye. Here we go. Now, that's your standard staghorn fern. That's entirely different. See how it hugs the tree? It gets that little back plate. That's the standard version. And the one back here is the one that grows pretty much like a hare's fern in the same form, but the hare's fern has a typical hare's foot. This one just has, as you can see, all the shoots will come up with this, and it's just, not that it's aggressive, it knows how to survive in the garden. When it browns out, it stands out another shoot, and it is green. So I just left all the brown on there. What I would normally do is just cut it off for everybody to see. So that's what it is. This is a straight staghorn fern. And if anybody has the proper scientific and common name, which is I like to put on my post, so this way people are, most of the pictures that I post up on the post, I mean, either they're novices or I haven't got a clue what the hell they're growing. I know I'm not growing some stuff, but I usually try to get a name from people that are growing these things already with the correct botanical names and stuff like that, but I'm finding out that a lot of those guys really don't know what they're growing either. So this is Marty from the Tropical Garden. Please like the video. Any good answers as to what we're looking at over here for the scientific combination, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe to the video. Thank you. Bye-bye.